Hello. So starting with Arduino, this is our Arduino. Like we are using this to take the data from multiple sensors. Like these all sensors are connected to water, like are placed in water, and we'll be getting the data from these sensors to the Arduino, and using the SIM808 we are sending the data to the cloud. So how this is happening is like we have TDS sensor, and this is the TDS controller. So using this we are like sending the data, like there are 3 pins, like if you can see, plus, minus and A is for the analog signal which it will be giving out. So plus minus are basically the positive and negative, like uh, it is basically what we get from here, the 5 volt, which like you can see here, 5 volt and ground. So plus is basically the 5 volt and ground is basically the negative. So that is connected to there, and the analog is connected, if you can see, it is connected to breadboard, and from breadboard it is connected here in the analog section. This is the analog section, and we are getting the analog input through to the Arduino through here. So this is how we are getting the analog input of the TDS sensor. Similarly, we have like this one here is the PS sensor. Similar way, we like, this is the controller for PS sensor. This will like convert the whatever like going in there, it will convert that and give electrical signal through these 3 wires in similar fashion like what we have in the TDS section. In similar fashion, we have here, like let me show you. Yeah, so as you can see, plus 5 volt, ground and output. So plus 5 volt is again the plus 5 volt, and ground is again the ground, like on the Arduino, and the output is going to be connected in the analog input. Alright, then we have the turbidity sensor. This one here, this blue thing is the turbidity sensor. So this is connected to the turbidity microcontroller, and again here we have 3 wires going out of this, and if you can see, again here we have VCC, ground and output. So VCC is the plus 5 volt, and ground is again the ground of Arduino, and output is the analog input, like output will be connected to analog input. As you can see, the output is yellow wire, and yellow wire is connected to brown, and brown is like getting connected to here, like in the analog, I think it is A2. So the pins can be different, like we can change which one connects to which one. Similarly, like we will have to change that in the code itself, and this is how the pins, like wires are getting connected. Here we have on the digital side, we have one sensor, that is DST11. This DST11 helps us to like calculate humidity and temperature, like relative humidity and temperature of the air. So we are connecting this like again same as TDS or other sensors. We have 3 pins here. One is for VCC, one is for ground. VCC is going to be connected to the 5 volt, ground is going to be connected to the ground of Arduino, and data is going to be connected to the digital pin. These all are digital pins, like from here, from these all, from starting from here to here, like these are numbered 0 to I think 13 or something. So we'll not be using most of them. So like I think this is connected to our, wait, let me zoom out. The temperature sensor is connected here, and as you can see, the data is of red wire and here it is yellow, and it is getting connected to the digital 5. So basically we are giving its output to the digital 5. It will be expecting digital output, like digital input. These all like pins will be expecting digital input. And in similar fashion, like we have here ground and, wait, let me focus. We have here ground and TXT, RXT. TXT is for transmission of data. RXT is for receiving data. This is SIM 808 model. This will be used to send data from the Arduino to the cloud. Like basically it will send GPRS packets. So like here we have TXT and RXT and a ground pin. This model also requires its own power source, so it is connected to its own power source. But in production we will be like using the power source, common power source, so that won't be an issue. So transmission and TXT and RXT pin are connected. Like this is TXT and RXT pin. It is going to be connected to the digital pins. Like I have connected to the 1011 pin. It can be connected to any other pin, and there is one other thing also, like this one. So basically what I have done is, like on successful data upload, this LED will glow. Like a short blink will be there for a successful data upload. So let me show you how data upload looks like. So as you can see on the Arduino console, we have like multiple data sent successfully prompts, and these all are the data we have like received from the sensors. Like this one tells us about what is the temperature here, and what is the humidity. This one is for humidity, this one is for TDS, this one is for the pH, like pH of the water. This one is the turbidity. Turbidity is basically how much light flows through the water, like how much clear it is. So that is that, and this is the data like we are receiving from these sensors. So basically we have turbidity. This is the turbidity pattern for the like water, which like I have like this one, and this is for the TDS. Like this is the TDS pattern, and let me turn off the TDS also. This is the humidity. Like humidity keeps on increasing and decreasing. So let me switch off that. And this is the temperature, and this is the pH sensors value. So this is all.